Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger.
Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we're going to talk about a full service broker, Fair Wealth. In this review, we will talk about multiple aspects including company background, pricing, account opening charges, exposure, research, service, trading products, trading platforms, multiple things, so that by the end of the video you are in a good position to figure out whether this is a good enough stockbroker for you or not. Let's get started. So starting with the company background, Fair Wealth is a full service stockbroker. Now what does that mean? That basically implies that they're going to give you multiple types of services and they're going to obviously charge more as compared to a discount broker. Now this one is based out of Mumbai. They have an active client base of 11,000, which is not that great, not that bad either, but still somewhere around average. This company was established back in the year 2005. They offer you a wide range, that's a typo there, wide range of investment products. Brokerage is okay, it's not so high again, and offline presence they have somewhere around 420, 430 branches across different parts of India. They have around 1300 remisers as well. Now somebody who is associated with this particular broker is called a remiser, working as an individual businessman. Now research in this case can be improved, and certainly the focus of technology needs to come into picture. Trading products, now they can give you wide range of investment options. You can put your money in equity, commodity, currency, derivatives, that is future options, mutual funds as well, IPOs, insurance, institutional broking, depository services, bonds, and there are 2-3 other services that this particular stockbroker Fair Wealth can provide for you. Now you don't really need to open any other account with any other broker as long as you are looking for these kind of options for your money. Then we have trading platforms. Now focus of technology is very important, very crucial in these days and junctures, especially when it comes to trading platforms such as mobile app or a web-based application. In this case they have a range, but all of the trading platforms, rather most of the trading platforms are outsourced in nature, so that is why the focus of an in-house trading platform is limited. We will start with the mobile application, and for that we need to check out Google Play Store. So the mobile app of Fair Wealth is called Dr. Stock. Now this is rated by 72 users at a number of 4.3. Very limited sample size, so it's really difficult to come out with this objective sort of judgment. At the same time, if you look at the numbers here, the last update was done on 12th of December 2017. Number of installs very limited. One of the bigger concerns of this app is it's very bulky. 23 MB is the size of this application, and they put a lot of emphasis on the user's phone, so it's gonna be a problem as far as speed is concerned. Number of features are limited. At the same time, if you want to perform some sort of analysis, you want to try out some charts, you will see that you are going to hit a wall very soon. So if I am a beginner level trader, then yes, I may give it a try. But if I am an intermediate to a heavy level trader, in that particular case, I have other options like IIFL Markets, I have Zerodha Kite, I have 5paisa's mobile app. So there are different options out there that I can try out. But as far as Dr. Stock is concerned, well, it's gonna be a little problem as far as comparison is concerned. However, let's look at the other trading platforms offered by this full service broker and see whether we get any value out of technology from this. So Fair Wealth's other trading platforms include Ordine Diet. Now you would know that this is third-party software. It is not developed or maintained by this full service broker. Multiple types of features are there, so we will not have a problem there. But it is a relatively bulky application. That would mean that you need to have a decent size in terms of configuration of your desktop, laptop or computer. At the same time, the user experience is a little compromised, especially for a beginner level trader. So certainly again, if I'm a beginner, I would say pass, but if I'm an expert level trader, I can try it out. Then there is NetNet Lite. This is a web-based browser application, another third-party software. Now, number of features are going to be lesser as compared to the ones provided in Orient Diet, but certainly better than the mobile application. Again, if I'm a beginner, yes, it can be tried for sure, not a good one for a heavy level trader. So you see that they have a positioning of all kinds of trading platforms for different types of users. Mobile app can be used by the beginner level traders. So is the case with the web-based application. The terminal software is particularly used by heavy level traders. So it really depends on the kind of phase you are, the kind of requirements you are putting up against the broker, and then correspondingly you can make a choice. One of the biggest factors when it comes to choosing a particular stockbroker is pricing. How much you're going to pay to the broker once you are trading in the stock market. Well, in case of FairWealth, account opening is free, be it Demat or trading account. You do not need to provide any account opening fees. There is an AMC, annual maintenance charge of 300, which is free for the first year. From second year, you need to pay 300 on a yearly basis to this broker. You can also pick 1000 rupees flat plan, wherein you pay 1000 rupees and the AMC is covered for the whole lifetime as long as your account is active with this broker. Brokerage is at 0.2% for delivery. In other segments, you can check it out at a digital blogger. So you see here, 0.2% is for a delivery, 0.02% for intraday. Now what that means is that in case you're putting up 1 lakh rupees for a delivery trade, then you need to pay 200 rupees as brokerage. There is a minimum brokerage charge of 25 rupees as well if your overall turnover is relatively lesser. If you are looking to put your money in options trading, 30 rupees per lot you are supposed to pay to FairWealth. Now you can also use this brokerage calculator. Once you click on this, you will get this screen here. We are showing it for FairWealth. You can do it for any other broker of your choice. Now in this quick demo, we will do it for delivery. Let's see, if you buy a stock for 500, sell it for 550, number of shares, let's say 100, and your state is Andhra Pradesh for this particular example. Click on calculate. Once you do that, everything will be right in front of you, overall turnover or brokerage that you're going to be paying to this broker. Then different taxes including your GST, which sums down to 362 rupees, and your trade profit is around 4600. Now you can do your maths here. You can calculate this for other segments. You can actually check it for other stockbrokers as well. And in case you do not understand how it works, you can just check out this demo video of a brokerage calculator on how do you actually use it. Then there is exposure or leverage. Now for people who do not understand this concept, basically it's kind of a short-term loan offered by your broker. They're gonna charge you something. Obviously they're gonna charge you interest or whatever amount you pick. They're gonna get your shares pledged as well. That's a different concept. So they're gonna make sure that you actually pay back the kind of loan you pick up from them. Now in this case, they give you 8 to 10 times for intraday, nothing for delivery. In other segments, you get pretty mediocre values to you. So as long as you do not really have high aspirations of using exposure, then yes, FairWealth is going to be an option for you. Otherwise, you can check out any other stockbroker. Then there is customer support. Now phone, email, toll-free number, offline branches we mentioned earlier, and a web form. Now these are different communication channels offered by this full service broker, who are generally known for offline sort of communication. Now in this case as well, the major emphasis is towards offline conversations through phone or through offline branches they have. But in case people who are looking for an online solution, in that particular case, either you will need to wait for, let's say, 1 or 2 days to get your query or your concern resolved, or you will not really have much of an option and use the offline methodology yourselves. So that's a bit of a concern here. As long as customer support is a requirement for you at an online level, it's going to be a problem with FairWealth. Then research and tips. If you are looking to have assistance from your broker in terms of the recommendations, research reports, or a tip on a daily, weekly, or a monthly basis, yes, they've got it covered. They in fact get it very segregated in terms of the trading segment. They've got equity reports, commodity, currency, derivatives, mutual fund analysis, IPO reports, whatever you think, they're gonna get it for you. But in this case as well, although consistency and the quantity part is not a problem, quality is around average. So that basically means that if you're using these tips of Fair Wealth, you will get average returns. Do not really expect very high returns as long as you're using these tips. You can also obviously put your own analysis on top of the tip provided by this broker here, and then based on the final judgment you can put your money into work. So that's the way research and tips work for this broker. Now before we close this video, we just need to quickly see what are the positives and negatives of opening an account with them. Now Fair Wealth, if we talk about the negatives first, does not really provide you much exposure. Trading platforms can be improved certainly. At the same time, customer support and research do have room for improvement too. Positives: free demat account, free trading account. Brokerage is not that high if you think from an offline or a full service perspective. There are offline branches they have around your city. They have in fact 420 branches across different parts of India. In case you're looking for a lifetime AMC free, then they have a flat rate of 1000 rupees plan. So in that case, you see there are different pros and cons here, and then it really boils down to the point what exactly you are looking for, and based on that you can make a choice. However, in case you're looking to understand the complete review of Fair Wealth, you can check out this link, digitalblogger.com/trading/Fair Wealth Securities Review. You can get in touch with us for stockbroker suggestion by checking out this link, digitalblogger.com/free stockbroker suggestion. Based on your requirements, we will set up a call back for you. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the likes button. We'll really appreciate that. You can share this video certainly. Let us know your feedback in the comment section below, and subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, if you have not already. Thank you so much again for watching this. Bye bye.